Hey Facebook, it's your boy Walter Lundy, back at y'all again. I'm here at my second home, Microcenter. I'm with Regional IT Services, www.regionalitservices.com. Professional technology assistance, computer repair, and IT services. I am actually coming up here to pick up a few parts, as well as return some equipment. If y'all not aware already, I am running a special right now, a special promotion in which I am doing a drawing for $500. All you have to do is register your domain using our website, www.regionalitservices.com. You can also get directly to our domain registration page by going to our products page, which is store.regionalitservices.com. The next 500 domains that are registered those people that register those domains, name will be entered into a drawing, and they'll be eligible to win $500. So that means if you register multiple domains, you will have multiple entries into the drawing that allows you to win $500. So go ahead and protect your brand, protect your idea by registering your domain. You know what happened to those ideas when you sleep on them. The first step into making them a reality is making that domain name come alive with that idea. So if you got an idea for an invention, a book, you sell a service or a product, you got a nickname, you rap, you breed dogs, your kennel name, whatever the case may be, whatever your product or service that you're selling, pushing, or your brand that you need to protect, go ahead and use our website to register your domain, and you will be automatically entered into a $500 drawing that allows you to basically get your domains for free and walk away with a profit. Once again, you go to our website, www.regionalitservices.com, or you could go directly to our products page, which is store.regionalitservices.com. I'm out here now. I'm walking here in the Microcenter, one of my favorite stores. Fry's is the other store that I frequent quite often for my electronic parts, different things that I need. If you're going to be in the IT business, then you'll be very familiar with both of those stores. So I'm going to walk in here and get the parts that I need, and I will also meet up with my customer who I've already resolved her issues, got her PC fixed and ready to go. Kind of give y'all a little bit of background so y'all can see what the store looks like. Y'all not familiar with it or been here. There you go. Y'all got to look at the store. Look at this. They even got these old arcade cabinets up here that they're selling. I actually may invest in one of these somewhere down the road. Look at this one. That's a Neo Geo, but I'm going to do probably the Street Fighter, Miss Pac-Man, Galaga, Mortal Kombat. But those will probably be the video games that I create. But anyways, y'all make sure y'all visit our website, www.regionalitservices.com. Protect those brands and get your domains registered. Also, if you got any technical issues, PC repair, or you need your web page design, take a look at us. We can also do your search engine optimization, as well as promote your brand via social media. If you like my ads and commercials, we can do that same thing for you. Thanks for tuning in. Y'all have a great day. Oh yeah, don't forget to like and share our videos and ads.